Hey everyone, want to track Snapchat ads and boost sales? Let's add a Snapchat pixel to your Shopify store step by step. First of all, you need a Snapchat business account. Go to Snapchat Ads Manager, click Create Account, and follow the setup steps. Next, create your Snapchat pixel. In Ads Manager, click Snap Pixel, then create pixel, give it a name, choose your currency and time zone, and click create. Now grab your pixel code, click on your pixel in Snapchat Ads Manager, then go to Pixel Details and select View Pixel Code. Now copy it. Now head to your Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store, then Preferences, scroll down to Additional Scripts and paste the pixel code, then hit save. Let's make sure it's working. In Snapchat Ads Manager, go to your pixel, click Verify installation, and follow the steps to test it. Want to track purchases or signups? Set up pixel events in Ads Manager to collect more data. Now you are ready to start advertising on Snapchat. Your pixel will track visitors and help optimize your ads. That's it. Your Snapchat pixel is live. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.